Now let's take a look at this figure 22-14A. And we're dealing with the fixed appliance load in accordance with NEC 220.53. Now you notice the fixed appliances that you see in this illustration. A disposal, 210.19A1A, 422.16B1, the water pump motor 430.22, a dishwasher 210.19A1A, 422.16B2, a compactor. Again, if it wasn't in a dwelling unit setting, it'd be 210.19A1A and 422.16B2. But if you look at the water heater, it's 422.13. And we're going to see what a demand would be for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fixed appliances. We need 4 more, and we have 5. And you notice the heating load, the air conditioning load, the dryer equipment, cooking equipment has been pulled in accordance with 220.53. Now, looking at these loads, we want to perform the calculation in the next video, which will be next.